This is our new kit, which is a desktop tripod and also kind of connection by using our iris, but not necessarily to be iris. Any light you use with a cold show adapter, also our let's say micro also fits for that. So the design of here is because we know what's the better light. The light should be above the camera and also kind of like to my eyes, even a little bit higher than my eyes will make me look much better in the video. So I normally can use that, for example, if I need to take a picture on me, and you can see the difference from the picture taking. This comes with the light. And if I switch off the light, let's take a look. I can see my wrinkles. So let me switch on again. So it's actually very good for picture taking. And if I need to make a live stream, for example, I can also do that. And then for example, if I want to do like a Zoom meeting, because this happens all the time. I need to talk to my clients all the time. So I'm going to have the Zoom meeting, and then actually it looks very different with light or without light. So I'm in the Zoom. Even Zoom now have the new beautify or modifier feature, but you still can see the difference. Let me show you the difference here. So this is with the light. Now I'm going to switch off. When you get used to a good light, you never can get rid of, right? Okay, so for Zoom meeting, for picture, and also for live stream, it happens all the time. And also we have an extra, code show. You can put your speaker there, and also you can put any other bigger, we also try any other bigger speaker can be mounted by the code show or can be here. So simple. And I also sometimes, I can do some of my keyboard work. If I have my laptop with me, I can just do the work here. And I also can have a notebook and I'll have some of the products here. And then by using the light, because this is a very healthy, beautiful light, and it's very, very healthy for our eyes. So I use that as a desk table lamp, and also I can use that for any kind of purpose. So let me show you how easy I pack them. So it's a cold show adapter, and I just do this way, and I just take off this one. And then I just do this. Here you can actually rotate. Done. That's everything. And remember, this